Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ethereum from KuCoin to MetaMask. Alright guys, so you're looking to send your Ethereum tokens from KuCoin to MetaMask. To do this, make sure you have a KuCoin account. So click on KuCoin, that's the application, open it up, make sure you have a KuCoin account. If you do not have an account on the platform, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, you've registered, you've verified your account. How can you send your Ethereum from your KuCoin account over to MetaMask? Now, to send simply means you must have it on your KuCoin account. So all you need to do is head to the assets menu. Once here, scroll from overview to funding or trading, where your tokens would be stored. And then once you found the USDT, all you need to do is click on the withdrawal option. Once you select the withdrawal, make sure you've gone through all the security processes, such as setting up a two-factor authentication. Now, once you're on the withdrawal menu, click on ETH and make sure you're withdrawing in a network with less gas fees. As you know, MetaMask is based off of the Ethereum network, but it can also receive tokens in other networks such as the BNB Smart Chain, the Optimism network, TRX, and other networks which are currently unavailable for the ETH, but you could make use of those networks. So all you need to do is just select the network with the lowest gas fees and proceed. So let's select the network. Let's go with the Ethereum one or Optimism. Let's go with Optimism. Once you've selected Optimism, make sure you get yourself your address. Now, to get your wallet address, minimize and open up MetaMask. Click on MetaMask and open up the wallet. Alright guys, so once the MetaMask app has opened up, your first step will be to make sure you get your Optimism network ready. And to do this, click on the Ethereum main network drop down at the top of the screen, click on add networks, and simply add the Optimism network to your wallet. So click on confirm and then click on switch to the network so you could be on Optimism. Then copy your address, minimize and open up KuCoin, paste the address here. Remember, the network is set to Optimism as one of the cheapest, and then enter the amount of ETH you wish to send, and then simply click on the withdrawal option. By doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your Ethereum from KuCoin over to your MetaMask. To confirm its arrival, head to MetaMask, perform a reload, and you'd find the Optimism Ethereum on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.